Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I bring you a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I install this frontal wig completely glueless, no glue, nada. So you definitely want to keep on watching. And if this is your first time stumbling into my channel, welcome. My name is Wendy. I am an e-commerce entrepreneur. I own a beauty brand that sells high quality and affordable human hair extensions, bundles, wigs, frontals, closures, you name it. You can find it at wendylocks.com. Now let's get into this video straight away. So my hair is braided and I have my wig cap on. Now this unit comes in this nice satin bag. It has a really great elastic band that holds the wig so firm, and it's easy to wear it glueless. Now this wig is currently on sale. It is less than $250 and it is customized with a full frontal, and it comes in this super pretty chestnut brown color in 22 inches. So this wig comes with a protective net on the inside, so you definitely want to cut it off before installing. And the next thing I do is going with my foundation, my NARS foundation, and smear it just all around the lace frontal because I don't have time to bleach my wig, but I'm going to do another video on how to bleach your knots. But if you don't have time, this is a very fast method to do to get your wig up and ready to wear in no time. So the next thing I do is I go ahead to pat my wig. I like a side part with frontal. It just gives my hair this natural look. So patting your hair can be tricky. You definitely want to make sure that you're doing your part straight and you're taking your time. And with doing hair, or just with doing anything in general, it does take time to get a hang of things. It does take time for you to master doing it perfectly, but the more you do it, the better you get. I remember when I started making my hair, it used to be such a mess, but after doing my hair for so long now, I feel like I've gotten a good grip on it. But after parting my hair, I go in with my wax stick, and this wax stick is just good for flyaways and little hairs that are just on top of the hair, to make sure that everything is just flat and sitting all the way down. So I like to go with the wax stick on the hair that is just above the part line, because that is the part that is going to be seen the most. Next, I go in with my holding spray and I just spray it all around my hairline. And what I do is I use my fingers to push the hair down. Then another important step is to go in with your hot comb to just smooth the hair down. And the next thing is using an elastic band to tie down your edges, because that is what will hold your wig front in place. Now I am going in with my heat protectant spray. You don't want to forget using this spray whenever you're using heating tools in your hair. This will just ensure that your hair doesn't get any heat damage, because I'm about to curl this wig right now, and that is what we're going to do. So when I'm curling my hair, I like to start from the back and just work my way up in small sections and just curl with my curling iron. So one trick to use when you're curling your hair, if you want your curl to be super tight, is to actually use holding spray while curling your hair. So the holding spray just makes your curl really tight and really firm. But that's not the look I'm going for today, so maybe I'll do that in another video. So now that my curls are done, I'm going to go ahead and take off this elastic band. So right now the lace frontal should be firmly set in place. So look at this, it actually looks like I used glue, but the only thing, as you can see in this video, is a holding spray and the elastic band to get your wig firmly in place. So I'm going to go ahead and set my baby hairs. You can skip this step because not everybody actually like baby hairs. And then go ahead and cut off the excess lace. And while doing this, you want to be very careful so that you don't rip the lace. So while cutting out your excess lace, try doing that in little sections to make it easier and more precise. So after cutting off my lace, what I'm going to do is take a little foundation to clean out the edges. And then I decided to do some more baby hairs just to make sure that my front is looking really juicy. So at this point, my hair is almost done. I just go in with the hot comb again to lay the front really nicely, and that's it. Now my hair is laid and it looks like I used glue, but I didn't. And just one final step, hair perfume. I discovered hair perfume recently and I've been obsessed with it because it just gives my hair this really nice scent, and it has this rosemary scent, the particular one I'm using right now. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think about this install. If you're going to try it, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.